start lesson 1, making an email account. Now, before we start talking about emails, I want to ask you, what things can you send and receive in the real mail, in the physical mail? Okay, think about that for a minute. You can send and receive packages, letters, postcards, and other things. And why is an address important to receive email? What makes an address unique? Okay, take some time to think about that and then answer, or talk with a partner about it. And please pause this video while you are doing that. Okay, so tonight we'll learn how to make an email account with a professional username so you can use it for work, school, and job applications, and make a strong and safe password. We'll also learn how to log in and log out of email. Okay, email is a way to send letters to people across the internet. In order to send and receive email, you need an account. An account is just like your your physical mailbox. An email account needs a username. A username is the name for your account. Today we'll make usernames that are professional. Professional means you can use it for work or school, and it is important to have a professional email username if you will use your email account for work or school. Okay. So a professional username, let me write this down. To make it stick a little bit, should it have your name or the name of your business. Do not use names like the names of your kids or your dog or your family. People could think it's your name. Okay, a username must be unique. That means only one. You cannot use the username of another person or your business currently uses. It has to be unique. And let me show you an example of some good and bad usernames. Let's go down here, reference A. Okay, yeah, MyVang 1983 is good. Grand Street Pizza. Beer Drinker 125, not so good. And 1353532, it's really hard for somebody to find you with that kind of email address or remember it. Okay, so I want you to take a look at the handout. Ask your teacher, I'm having a sub today, and ask which emails usernames are professional and which are unprofessional. Pause the video for a minute and go do that. Okay, now I want to talk about passwords. And passwords, your account will need a password. The password is the key to log on to your account. It should be easy for you to remember, but difficult for another person to guess. A strong password includes numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and symbols. So, for example, it should have like handy, for example, because you can remember that word. Number 3. Now this has a symbol, a number, and a capital. It's the more letters you use, the harder it is for a computer to figure out your password. And a strong password should be 12 to 16 characters long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 characters to 16. After a while, it gets too long. It's 12, and here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 characters. Okay, this one may be too short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, so I need 9 more. Under 9. LK. That's longer. That should be a lot harder to crack. Okay, so I have a question for you. Scroll down a little bit. What makes a password strong or weak? Okay, so talk to a partner about it. Not that week, this week. Okay. Also, when you get a new email address account, they want to know your phone number so they can call you or text you in case of some kind of emergency. And yeah, so if you forget your password, they might call you or text you. Okay, let's look at reference B. Yeah, so they want your phone number and a recovery email address. If you have another email address, that's good. That will help you recover your email address. And remember, every time you go to your address, let me move here, back up to page 4. Oops, where am I? Yeah, every time you use your email account, you need to log in and log out. It is very important for you to log in out if you use your email in a public shared computer. If you don't log out, anyone can use your email account. Sometimes they save your, also make sure they don't save your email and password. Okay. Okay. I would like you to look at, now I would like you to look at handout A. It looks like this. And discuss it. Then in group, pairs or in small groups, I would like you to look at reference C. Write down ideas for your professional username. Remember, usernames must be unique. You need options because your first choice is already taken. Yeah, sometimes somebody else might have decided on your username a long time before you did. Okay. All right, so I would like you to ask your teacher to hand you these handouts, and I will see you at the next class.